welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. We are on day 2 of oatmeal week, and today's is PB+J oatmeal. It is delicious, peanut butter, creamy oatmeal base, so good. And then we're topping it with peanut butter and jelly and some hemp seeds / coconut, and it's just like the most delicious breakfast. It's super healthy, it's high in protein, high in fiber. We're also sneaking in a secret ingredient to up the protein and the fiber naturally, so that's really exciting. And I just generally can't wait for you to try it, because if you like PB+J, you're gonna love this oatmeal. If you do want to follow along with the recipe, it is up on the blog for you, so I've linked that down in the description box. And if you are new to the channel and you're enjoying this recipe as well as other healthy recipes, I'd love for you to join our community. Just tap the red button that is right below this video that says subscribe. Otherwise, let's get into day 2 of oatmeal week and learn how to make PB+J oatmeal.
All right, so for our peanut butter and jelly oatmeal, we are going to start by adding our rolled oats into our pot. We're going to follow that with quinoa flakes, and quinoa flakes are there to add the extra protein that I was talking about earlier. So you can just add those in, and then we will top it with whatever liquid you want. I went with water, but you could use almond milk, coconut water, etc., up to you. Give it a stir, and then we're going to bring this up to a boil. This will cook fairly quickly and start to thicken, so you might need to add a little bit of extra liquid as you're cooking it, but you're basically just looking for it to thicken up, looking for the oats to get soft, and basically cook until you get the desired texture that you want. So once you have the desired consistency, it's time to add in the rest of your ingredients. So we're just gonna add in our peanut butter, and you're gonna wanna do a good few scoops of peanut butter. This is not only gonna add some extra protein and healthy fats to make the oatmeal more filling, but it's also gonna give you that nice creamy peanut butter flavor. I also like to add in some sweetness, so I went with maple syrup here, but you could use honey or whatever sort of other sweetener you like, and then some cinnamon to finish it off. And then you'll just use your spoon or spatula to stir it in until everything is combined and folded together, and you have a beautiful creamy base of peanut butter oatmeal. From there, we are ready to serve it up. So we're gonna start with adding our oatmeal into our bowl, and then I'm gonna top it with some jam. I'm using raspberry jam here, but I actually prefer to use chia jam because chia jam is gonna give you a little bit of extra nutrition. I will link my video on how to make chia jam below for you. And then I use my fork to kind of like stir it around and make it all nice and swirly. Optional, you don't have to do that. And then I like to top it with a little bit of extra peanut butter and same kind of thing, swirling it around. And then finishing it off with either some hemp seeds or some coconut, up to you. You can leave it off. I just love to add a little bit of texture on top of my oatmeal. I just find it a little bit more interesting to eat. But that is pretty much it. This is the most beautiful bowl of peanut butter and jelly oatmeal. It is so delicious. Such a fun way to enjoy this like traditional flavor combination. And I think you guys are absolutely going to love it.
And there we go, my friends. That concludes day 2 of oatmeal week. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you want to check the recipe from yesterday, so day 1, you can find that link down below. We'll be linking all of the oatmeal week videos in the description box. And if you do want to try or follow along with the specific recipe, ingredient amounts and everything like that, I've linked the blog post down below. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you enjoyed it and would like to join our community, just tap the red button that says subscribe and you'll get notified when we post new videos. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you spending some time out of your day here with me on YouTube. It means the world to me. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3 of oatmeal week. See you later. Bye.